Hello, we're here today to demonstrate the rekeying of a deadbolt. This demonstration will be for a 371, 671 deadbolt or our 2115 entry handle. In front of us you'll see the items that you need to rekey the deadbolt. A Weslock keying kit, a key with the proper key code that will be keying the deadbolt to. In this instance we've pulled a 371 deadbolt and we've already removed the exterior portion and the keys from the deadbolt. We're going to start with our exterior unit. We're going to turn it around. We're going to open up our keying kit. We're going to remove our cap wrench. You'll see the teeth on the cap wrench correspond with the teeth on the cap. We're going to insert the cap wrench into the teeth, turning counterclockwise to remove the cap. Setting this off to the side, we're going to remove the deadbolt pin and the spring. We're now going to take our key that was in the box for the deadbolt, insert it into the key cylinder, turning slightly. We're going to take our plug follower, and in this instance we're going to use the flat side of the plug follower. We're going to place that along the back of the cylinder, and we're going to slide the housing along the plug follower, exposing the pins. We are now going to take these pins and discard them along with our original key. Our new key will be taken, put into the key gauge, and we will gauge it, reading it from bow to tip, the cuts that we've made, working to the tip. In this case, we've rekeyed the key to this code. We are now going to insert it into the cylinder and use the corresponding pins to put into the cylinder. The pins have a flat side and a round side. You want to make sure that you put the round part down into the cylinder. When this is done correctly, the pins at the top will be flush with the top of the cylinder, all the way across. We are now going to take our housing again. We're going to hold our cylinder against our plug follower and work the housing back over the cylinder. We're now going to turn the key back around to the upright position, and using some pressure up against the key cylinder, remove the key. This avoids having the key cylinder explode. We are going to replace the spring and then the pin. We are then going to take our cap wrench back again with the cap still on it, putting this over and threading back on all the way. And then backing off just a hair. Then you want to make sure that the pin is engaged into the teeth on the deadbolt cylinder. Then this is a time to test the key cylinder to make sure it works, and the key can be removed. That completes this demonstration.